voice to the generation. Because you have God idea, and God cannot fail you, will not fail you.
Amen.
You always succeed in life.
Amen.
Every part and family areas of your life shall be transformed to blessing.
Amen.
So shall it be in this.
Amen.
Now listen, somebody will look and say, they're talking about faithfulness. Why there's global recession? Listen, you are not a global person. You are a kingdom person.
Amen.
During the days of Abraham, there was famine. During the days of Isaac, there was famine. During the days of Jacob, there was famine, and they all survived it. Come into Genesis chapter 12, verses 1 to 4. Genesis 12, 1 to 4.
Oh, Jehovah! Jehovah!
The Lord is...
Oh!
The Lord said to Abraham, oh yes. Abraham obeyed, yes. I will make you a great nation. I will bless you and make you fruitful. Oh yes.
I've been going about.
I will bless those who blesses you, and curse those who curses you.
God will be glory.
All the families of the house shall be blessed in you. That is Genesis chapter 12, verses 1 to 4. See what happens in verse 10. Just verse 10, between 4 and 10. Because when God gives a verdict, I am telling you, Satan will attack. What happens in verse 10?
Famine in the land.
Now there was famine in the land.
And Abram went
Listen,
down.
don't see this global recession. You will only be exempted if you see yourself that you are exempted.
Now there was a famine in the land.
Now there was a famine in the land.
And Abram went down.
And Abraham went down to Egypt.
To live there for a while.
To live there for a while.
Because the famine was severe.
The famine was severe. Thank you very much. That is chapter 12, 1 to 4, then 10. Let's go to chapter 13, just the next chapter. What did God do? In verse 2. Verse 2. Verse 2.
And Abraham was
very rich.
stocked with herds and silver and gold.
Abraham was very rich in cattle, in silver, and in gold, regardless of the famine. Abraham was very rich in silver, in cattle, and in gold. That is Abraham. Let's see his son, Isaac. Come with me to listen. The higher the glory, because Abraham's glory was very high. The higher the glory, that is the glory that God put upon him. The higher the glory, the higher the attack. Because of his glory, look at what David was doing. He was attacking him with famine, but he survived it. Now, the moment Moses arrived on the scene, there was attack. Pharaoh said every child, male, must be thrown into River Nile. The moment Joseph was on the scene, there was attack from his brethren. But what happened? At the end of the day, it became the prime minister in Egypt. The moment Jesus Christ arrived on the scene, there was attack because Herod said every male under 2 must be killed. Listen, it doesn't matter what you are going through. God will still be God. And on your behalf, you will have the final say.
Amen.
Genesis chapter 26, verses 1 to 6.